TF house by Cristián Romero Valente in Puerto Varas, Chile. Casa TF is a single-family home located in southern Chile, Los Lagos region, Puerto Varas commune. The house is oriented towards the northeast, providing a wide view of the Osorno volcano. Its design allows natural light to illuminate the interior both in the morning and in the afternoon. The construction, which combines wood and steel beams, is suspended from the ground to integrate with the natural environment and offer a better view of the surrounding landscape. The typical wooden sheds of the region were used as a reference. The structure of the house consists of steel pillars that support the roof, while the exterior walls are made of rough pine wood. Inside, wood is the protagonist, being used on all surfaces to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The gable roof and eaves are designed to efficiently face the north wind and winter rains, as well as the south wind in summer. Inside the house, the height favors better natural lighting and ventilation. In addition, it has continuous windows that provide continuous lighting from side to side of the roof. Its excellent thermal and acoustic insulation is due to the use of recycled paper cellulose. The distribution of the house is based on a modulation that allows for the use of natural light on all sides. Access to the house is through an external staircase that leads to a platform from where you enter a single floor, with an area of 144.7 square meters. The house program is divided into 3 areas: kitchen, dining room, and living room in one area, while the bedrooms are in another more private area. Casa TF is a space that integrates with the natural environment and values the views of the sector.